married Anima Kumari from 3 Jharkhand Girls Battalion NCC रांची। हर साल भारत 26 नवंबर को संविधान दिवस मनाता है क्योंकि भारत का संविधान संविधान सभा द्वारा 26 नवंबर 1949 को अपनाया गया था और 26 जनवरी 1950 को यह प्रभावित हुआ। A tribute to B.R. Ambedkar on Constitution Day, India's first law minister, he was appointed as the Constitution Drafting Committee's chairman. He was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution is a core legal document which lists our fundamental rights of citizens, their duties, role of the government, interaction between the government and its citizen, power of the Prime Minister, President, Governor and Chief Minister, and defines how the federal structure of the country will be maintained. With nearly 400 articles or provisions, this document defines the power of the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. The constitution we have today has gone through a very interesting journey that we must know. Indian constitution was not typeset or printed but was handwritten and calligraphed in both English and Hindi languages. It was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raicharda in a flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy. The original copies of the Constitution of India are kept in special helium-filled cases in the Library of Parliament of India. Indian Constitution is known as a bag of borrowing as the Indian Constitution drafted borrowed concepts and ideas from the Constitution of UK, US, Ireland, Germany, Australia, Canada and Japan. It is the longest written constitution of any independent country in the world. The Indian Constitution contains 448 articles in 25 parts, 12 schedules, 5 appendices and 98 amendments. Indian Constitution is known as one of the world's best and flexible constitutions. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for the Assembly to finish writing the entire Constitution. When the first draft of the amendment was prepared and presented for debate, over 2,000 amendments were made before it was finalized. On 24 January 1950, the 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution, which included 15 women. The preamble of the Constitution of India states that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The national emblem of India was adopted on 26 January 1950, the day India was declared republic and its constitution coming into effect. 26 नवंबर को भारतीय संविधान दिवस के रूप में मनाने का उद्देश्य संविधान के महत्व के बारे में और इसके रचनाकार डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर के बारे में लोगों को जागरूक करना है।